Popcaan world, welcome to another episode of Dancehall Critics, And this time we want to look on Mavado new song Belt Buckle. And we just want to jump right into it, people. You see what I say? Like, I look a while now not to hear nothing from Mavado. See, as we know, war been going on between Alkaline and Popcaan. You see what I say? Popcaan start out the year with Stray Dog, bad tune, and just left it like that, you see me? I don't know why the strategy behind that. Sorry, I don't know why strategy behind that or what. You see what I say? But today I come to talk about how and why make, I say, it seem like every little man just come joke through them, then like a one job, then like a job pam Popcaan, like some like a fool, you see me? Like a weak link. And a straight Wolpa war, a vendetta war versus goalie side. As I goalie boss is now make belt buckle for this Popcaan, you see me? Cause I remember say in our last tune, him do beat and teach. So I say Popcaan showing the white flag. So I say, boy, right now I'm ready for beat up a little boy. But why make him come out and show and make a song for this cartel? See? Why make him first tune where make for this Pappy? And not even say Tommy Lee. Because Tommy Lee been a this, You see what I say? Tommy Lee and look a fucker tune need I tune a mechanic straight. You see what I say? So why make it appear as though Pappy had a weak link, and as a result everybody come a pray upon the man and I come a take set upon the man? You see what I say? As if you hear lyrics in anything, people, watch out. Check it, I intro a Mavado new thing, watch it.
2017, them think I smile, man, I greet them with butter. Bell buckle, man, I beat them with. Little pity them, you must think them with butter. Bell buckle, man, I beat them with. So, if I know black flag, I wave them now, white. If you can't manage what?
You see it? If I know black flag, I wave them now, white. Basically, man say, yo, dog, you're bait. You dash in the flag in the last war and now you come on going like you're a bad man. And true, is it true? Everybody say, yo, the dog nah go answer them like, oh, them would have want to. They must say, and my chances to sink him now. You see what I say? But do you think Goalie Side and Vendetta team up can sink Popcaan and Ruley? I mean, between me and still, I don't feel so. I feel like Popcaan have some firm grounds and footing, you see me? Because right I know where him there, especially like I say, yo, in the one I'm rather review them. So, yo, that connection there with the man make with Drake is a good connection. You see what I say? That's something that we needed, you see me? But right now, in particular, I talk about the new tune with Mavado. Mavado made that song strictly for Popcaan, B. I must say, yo, dog, if you're not bad man in a war, or if you're not done, if you know say you can't angle war, dog, they won't come in it. That's just like where my boy they saying a third World Cup. Let me say, yo, you can't stand the heat, don't go in the blood clot kitchen. You see what I say? And I don't know. I just that me and made another song because my father just a go in but the man be. You see what I say? And it's like him a try to make it clear, say, yo, dog, you team up on my bridging them and me I come team up back against you. And me I go this because you bait, you a little boy. You see what I say? That song kind of come like a beat and teach part 2 for real. And that is your name, Belt Buckle. The man I give Popcaan belt buckle to pussy world. All in something there. Dog, watch out.
Heavy matic, heavy rifle, what's up in a sequence, just give the ball as the go, yeah. Boy, move my ball hold, like, then I mathematics, they're so broad, no mark, no what. Get them through what they do, I got that jungle where they feel like.
That song is some splice anyway, but, Jano, man, I this a Popcaan kid there. But even though Mavado, like Badman lyrics, I'm too conic again, I don't know if I chew the war stop with him and cartel. Well, I mean, no matter how much rifle and shut up and this, but it don't sound so bad again, you know what I say? His voice don't sound so authoritative like he used to. What do you think? You agree? Well, goalie fans them, they talk to me. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. A dancer critics. I'm just try decipher that little belt buckle song. I mean, there's really not much to decipher more than Popcaan a beat. And you see me, everybody I take the man for pussy. You agree? Unruly fans, what you think? You think say unruly boss I do the right thing and I make the right strategic move. Where I go basically where logically beneficial to basically film growth and him career by ignoring the foes. But look on it though. What kind of move or tactic you think it was when time he goes a boom and throwing the flag with the war with Imam Mavado earlier on. Then now why make it appear that him come throwing the flag with alkaline? See? So basically with that being said, everybody knows say Mavado say, alright, do a little mama tune and re. But me I come here now come step in a war because that I gonna make my career go up too. Look more, because my career feed off of basically the controversy and the lyrical battles among different foes and rivals and them look at something. You saw me I say? But check it.
Last year them dead off. Every link down a town come and tell me say all of the black clothes sell off. Left them like a hounded dog and the ground like a madman spread off.
Boy, I don't know. I don't know if Popcaan is dead off and left on a rascal ground still. Isn't it? Because Popcaan career still a go on still. Isn't it? I have to be truthful about that. However, Popcaan a move like him want the man in a business. Beat him up. Isn't it? And Mavado you need to go answer Tommy blood clot Lee. Go answer Tommy Lee. You see me? When I talk about you get it, you gotta die. You see me? Go answer Tommy Lee, man. Why make you text it? Why make the whole lot not text it pam papi? Papi in another league. Papi a make blood clot money. And that me a show no. But here me I say to no though, upon the contrary, Popcaan you need to make the man them know say you're not another class. Make them bad them up too. You have to bad them up, Popcaan. Or say man continue to bad you up. You see what I say? I really think, man, remember you know people are dancer critics, you know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about that new Mavado belt buckle song. Yeah. Why make Mavado come and beat up the man? Or do you think it's a weak song? What you think about it? I mean, I don't think it's one of the strongest song. It's just that it catchy because a belt buckle and then some white in it. You don't know no fireworks and boom, it's a Popcaan this straight. You see what I say? But I mean, one of the strongest songs me ever hear from Mavado still. For real.
You know, see it for your casket, them want share. And your little friends just get the last year. So, if I don't
I almost talk about little friends just get the last year. Which little friends that? Because if I that little piece of matter, I try sing for make reference saying kill Tommy Lee last year, that a fucker. And if I little friend, I can't little friend him or refer to as Vibes Cartel. So I'm never gonna try inside that day, idea there. Or inject the idea there. No. So I don't know, that is a mystery. I don't know people. You can tell me. Drop a comment and let me know. A dancer critics.
them a run down the afterlife. We see say them a get nasty and bright if you can't manage war.
If you can't manage war, Poppy, stay out tight. And me can't agree no more. You saw me I say? Popcaan lower war thing then, man. Just go and make some girl tune. You saw me I say? And make the people them real. Because I must say you have a nice vibe, you have a nice style and flavor, you see me? And people them love it. It gravitating, dog. You see me? You don't have to worry about the war thing and the bad man thing and real. Because dog, big man thing, enough of people them not really too pre up on the level. They pre and say, yeah, him bad up himself and rare. But them man the girl tune them bad, them man the party song hard. And when him come with one little bad man party tune, if you know what I mean, it hard too. You know what I say? But when you come out to the hardcore, you know what I say, describing your bullet and your gun them and you shot them and how much gun you have and how it go tear up this a foot here and that there and your head. All kind of blood clot something. You know what I say? But people, Tell me what you think about that whole belt buckle something. You don't feel like Mavado really did needed to come out with this for fuck with Popcaan? And do you think Popcaan will answer? Me doubt it. People, don't forget to subscribe, you know, man. You saw me I say? And remember, a dancer critics. We out.